If you don't know what Pro Drums is by now, it is a drum plug-in. This plugin was created by John, Mike, and the team over at Gospel Producers. This plugin so far is amazing. I've been sitting with it now for a couple of hours and getting to mess around with all the nuances. But before I overtalk it and tell you a little bit about the plugin, I'm going to let you hear it, and I'm just going to play some tones with it and mess around with it. So let's check it out. So when you first pull up the Pro Drum kit, you're going to see the warehouse kit. What I really like about this plugin so far is that there are 3 different kits. So not only do you have a really good sounding warehouse kit, but you have a kit called the collector's kit. Then we have a maple gum kit. The maple kit right there is super beefy, sounds really, has that punch, has that attack to it. That sounds really, really good. Some of the cool things that you can do with Pro Drums, of course, you can change the tuning on the snare. So we got snare 1. So if you want to get a little crazy and tune it all the way up there, you have that option. If you're doing some type of CCM song and you want to tune down a little bit, you can tune that down. Not only can you do that with the snare, but you can do that with the tom as well. So tom 1 sounds like an 8-inch. You can tune it up, you can tune it down. So right here you have your tuning section, and then up top we have the mixing section. So what I've noticed so far with this plugin is it's loud out the box. So it's really cool to have a plugin that you don't have to sit there and tweak the volume and have to go through and figure out how to make it louder. It comes out the box loud. So that's good. Like if I need more snare, I can do that. But right now out the box, it's cranking. Another one of the cool things you can do is panning. So you can pan the drums however you want to. Out the gate, the drums are set up in drum perspective. So if you want to change the panning, you can do that. I'll probably just keep it like this. All right, let's play some grooves with some different kits. Let's check it out. So key drums is something that's super special to me. I don't play drums in real life, but key drums makes me feel like a drummer. And this plugin right here, at the moment, I would have to put this plugin at the top, up there with like Superior Drummer, Addictive Drums. They got this plugin right. Like, I'm going to be using this plugin a lot in my productions, and I'm super excited. And I don't say that because, you know, John, Mike, they're good people and I like what they're doing. I say that because this plugin so far sounds super quality. It's cutting through, it's clean, it's punchy. It's everything that you want out of a drum plugin, a drum VST. I'm telling you right now, you need to go get this plugin. If you don't have this yet, they are running a special up until May 13th. This plugin is going to be $69.99, and then it's going to go to the regular price. So I think you may want to jump on this plugin today.